Welcome to the CanadaHelps DMS reporting webinar. In this session, we're excited to guide you through the process of building insightful reports using your DMS. These reports will empower you to make informed business and fundraising decisions, segment and communicate effectively with your contacts, and truly understand your donor data. Whether you're trying to identify your top donors, preparing a report for your charity board, or comparing year-over-year fundraising efforts, your DMS has the tools to help you achieve these goals. Today, we'll explore two key methods for generating reports within your DMS. First, we'll start by diving into the advanced search feature on the contacts and contributions pages. This method allows you to filter and narrow down your data and then export it in the format of your choice, making it perfect for those who prefer to work with raw data in Excel or Google Sheets. Next, we'll explore the dedicated Reports section, easily accessible from the main menu of your DMS. The Reports section of your DMS account contains a wide variety of ready-to-use reporting templates, which can be further customized and saved as new reports. If you're eager to jump directly to this section, feel free to skip ahead. However, we encourage you to stick around for the first part as well, as it provides valuable insights for working with your data. Let's start with the Advanced Search method. Advanced Search is available on the Contacts and Contributions pages of your DMS. It is an easy way to find a segment of your data by using a number of filters and then easily exporting the results into a customized spreadsheet. You will find this option on the right-hand side of your Contacts and Contributions pages right next to the search bar. Advanced search filters are divided into subsections that can be expanded or collapsed for convenience. Filters can be used separately or in combination with one another. There are two search operators you can choose from, and or. The AND operator will return only the results that satisfy all of the criteria combined. The OR operator will produce results that satisfy at least one of the said search criteria. Let's go ahead and click into the filters under the header Contributions and take a look at what's available there. You're able to search for contacts who made a donation during a specific date range using the Contribution Date filter. By clicking on the Campaign filter, you may find contacts who donated to one or more of the campaigns in your drop-down list. We can also find contacts by the DMS fund or one of your CanadaHelps funds, also abbreviated as CH funds. If you would like to find donors who made a tribute gift, you will find the relevant filters under the Dedication Information section. Let's use this as our first example and set the parameter in memory to yes. To find a list of all contacts who made a tribute donation in memory of a specific person, you may use the field Name of Honoree. We'll scroll down and click Search. To collapse the filters, click on Edit Search Criteria. Let's go back to our search parameters and add an additional filter, Contribution Date. Let's set it to this calendar year. Since our search operator is set to AND, the results will produce only the data that satisfies the Contribution Date filter and in memory of filter. Now let's go back to the search criteria. To reset the filters, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Reset Form. Let's take a look at the custom fields. The custom fields will come in handy if you would like to find donors by such parameters as total lifetime contributions, amount of first or last contribution, date of first and last contribution, and others. Total lifetime contributions could be useful if your organization has different tiers of donors. Date of last contribution could be helpful if you would like to build a list of contacts who haven't donated in a while and would like to re-engage and better steward them. Count of contributions could help you find donors based on how many donations they have made to your charity. Let's start with an easy example. Perhaps you need to find a list of donors who have cumulatively donated over a certain amount of dollars during their history of supporting your charity. For this search query, we'll use the parameter total lifetime contributions. Let's enter $1,000. The DMS will build a list of all donors who cumulatively donated over $1,000 based on their contribution history in your DMS. Now that we've built the list of contacts, we can extract the data into a custom spreadsheet. To do that, select All Records, go to Actions, and then find Export Contacts. The exporting feature will offer you to download primary fields or select fields for export. Downloading primary fields will automatically create a spreadsheet with all of the found contacts and include a wide range of columns containing detailed donor data. The second option, selecting fields for export, offers you a way to build a custom report manually and include only the columns that you would like to see in the report. Now let's take a look at how advanced search can be used to build a contributions report. To do that, we'll navigate to the contributions page of our DMS. From here, we'll click on the Advanced Search button on the right-hand side of the page. Similar to Advanced Search for Contacts, Advanced Search for Contributions offers you the ability to build a list of contributions by using one or more of the search parameters. Let's hone in on a common example and find all contributions made to a specific campaign. Perhaps we also want to narrow down our contributions to the ones over $10. Once we perform the search, the DMS will give us the list of all contributions over $10 made to a Taste of Spring 2023 campaign. To save the results, we will select all records, go to Actions, and click Export Contributions. Again, we're presented with the option to export primary fields or select fields for export. Let's select the second option and take a look at how we can easily create a custom report based on our results. For this example, I will create a simple report using the following columns. If we're happy with the layout of this report, we can click Save Fields to access this exact layout for future data exports. When you're finished with customizing your report, simply click Download File. Once you're finished with the report, you can click Return to Search to return to your advanced search options. Using advanced search helps you not only build a report based on your chosen parameters, but also further perform a variety of actions on your results. For example, issue aggregated tax receipts, issue separate tax receipts, send thank yous, or update contributions. Similarly, with contacts, you can perform a number of actions on the segment of contacts that you built using advanced search. You can add the contacts into a group, a smart group, add a tag, issue annual tax receipts, print mailing labels, or send a bulk email using the DMS mail option. Now that we've covered the basics of using advanced search, let's switch over to the Reports section of your DMS, which can be found in the main menu just over here. Report templates are divided into contact reports, contribution reports, and opportunity reports. Please note that Mail Reports is not currently available in this selection. My Reports serves as the storage folder for any custom reports that you save in the DMS and is unique to each DMS user. Each of the main report sections is divided into further subsections containing templates to help you easily build a report. For example, under the Contributions Report section, we can find report template organized by campaign, fund, GL account, as well as a folder with the custom contribution reports. If you're looking to build a report for a campaign that you recently ran, you have the option to do a detailed report, a monthly report, a summary, or an annual report if the campaign happens year over year. Let's take a look at the detailed campaign report. Once we click on the report title, we're brought over into the settings of the report. Across the top, we can see the available customization options: columns, sorting, filters, and access. Let's go through these one by one. Columns will allow you to select which columns you'd like to display in the report. The selection of columns varies depending on the template. For this example, let's select donor name, payment method, date received, and fund. Contribution amount and campaign are already pre-selected. Under sorting, you will get an option to sort your report by any of the columns in the descending or ascending order. Let's sort this report by contribution amount. Checking the section header/group by box allows us to group results by their values. For this purpose, we'll uncheck this box. The Filters section allows you to select which data you'd like to see in the report. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll select one of the campaigns. Let's use Make It Monthly 2023. To view the results, we'll click Refresh Results. The report has produced 108 results that you can see as a list of contributions. Towards the bottom of the page are totals for the data included in the report: the total amount, total contributions, average donation, fees, and net amount. To export this report, we'll scroll to the top of the page, click on Actions, select Export as CSV to download the spreadsheet, or Print Report to download a PDF file, or print a physical copy of the report. To save the newly created report, click on Save a Copy, give the report a unique name, description, and select Add to My Reports in order to add the report into your My Reports folder. The Access option in the Report menu provides an option to add the report to your dashboard. Let's go back to the Reports page and take a look at some of the other templates. Under Contact Reports, we will find a detailed contact report, which allows you to build a comprehensive report of all or a segment of your contacts. Let's select some of the columns we'd like to see and then organize the report starting from the largest overall donor. Please note that the Reports tool does not allow you to perform any actions on the results. If you would like to be able to add contacts into a group, issue tax receipts, or perform any other kind of action, you will need to be using advanced search as shown in the previous section of this webinar. Now that we've covered some of the basics of using existing templates, customizing them, and saving new reports, let's go through some of the important templates that your charity may need. The Ready-to-Go Receipts template allows you to view your contributions along with the issued receipt numbers. The Donor Comparison Report is available in the Custom Contribution Reports folder. It offers you a way to compare individual giving over 2 periods of time. In this case, the report compares 2 calendar years, 2023 and 2024, and indicates the change in percentage as seen in the right column. The Top Contributors Report is a quick way to view your top donors, either all-time or during a specific date range. Recurring Contributions Report will give you an overview of your active and expired monthly gifts, along with the current and previous month amounts and total completed contributions. As a CanadaHelps user, your charity may wish to build a report specifically dedicated to your CanadaHelps contributions. From the Reports page, let's click on New Report to create this one from scratch. We'll navigate to Contribution Report Templates, General Contribution Reports, and select Contribution Detailed. First, we'll review which columns we would like to include. Let's say we're only looking for the donor's name, contact ID, email, contribution amount, disbursement date, receipt number, and CH fund. Once we're happy with the selected columns, we'll navigate to the filters and set the filter source to CanadaHelps. Let's set the date received to an arbitrary value. For example, last 90 days, including today. Let's go ahead and refresh the results. This report will only produce all of your CanadaHelps contributions over the last 90 days, including the date of disbursement for each donation. Again, if we would like to extract this report, we can go to Actions and choose either Print Report to download a PDF or print a physical copy, or Export as CSV to download the spreadsheet. To save this report, go ahead and click Create Report, give it a name, the report will now be saved into the Custom Report section of your contribution reports, just over here. Creating and customizing reports that meet the needs of your charity may take a bit of time and effort. For more resources on how to use your DMS reports, please make sure to check the DMS Help portal, available by clicking on the question mark icon in the bottom right corner of every page in your DMS. There, you will be able to find up-to-date and relevant information on all aspects of your DMS, including reports. Simply type in reports, and you will be provided with a range of educational materials on how to create and manage your reports. Good luck, and thank you for watching this webinar.